Our fix it for today is battery replacement. This episode is for Honda Click 125i. Our first step is to open your battery case located at the footboard of your scooter. Then we have to disengage the clip of the battery cover. Using again the Phillips screw, we'll have to remove the terminal from the batteries. Then we may now remove the battery. So removing this old battery is just as simple as pulling off the battery from its location. Our next step then is to install our new battery. When installing your new battery, remember to install the negative terminal first before your positive terminal. We will now connect our positive terminal. Then we bring up the cover. As soon as you have installed our new battery, we may now check if our motorcycle would run with this new battery. So now that we are sure that our battery is working, it's now time to return the battery cover at the footboard. now, our battery replacement for Honda Click 125i scooter is now done.